Meaning of direct current.
Direct current.
Direct current.
Direct current.
Direct current. Direct current, DC, is a flow of electrical charge that moves in one direction. DC is often generated by batteries or power supplies with rectifiers. DC is used in a variety of applications, including electronics, transportation, and energy storage. Compared to alternating current, AC, DC is less expensive and more efficient over short distances. However, it is not as practical for long-distance transmission due to energy losses over longer lines. Overall, DC is an important form of electrical power and has many advantages and disadvantages depending on its specific application.